we hit a gas line. Our gas line is right there because sometimes they miss. If you are doing underground panel upgrades, you gotta have one of these. All right, so we're working on this underground panel upgrade right here. Our utility company wants us to be like 36, 40 inches deep. And right here, I don't know if you guys can see or not, we started noticing sand right here. So I'm pretty sure that the gas line that's right there goes right out this way. It was marked out, but I want to double check it. We have our own underground tracer. Quick tip here is this wire that's wrapped around the gas line right here. This is actually a tracer wire. We clamp on right here and we have this thing on all the way up to 10. This is the receiver. So we just turn this on and it's got a little gauge right there and you start to hear the tone. And the closer that you get, the louder it is. So I wanted to show you guys, come on over here, Paul. I wanted to show you guys, you can do this on your own. You just got to buy one of these. This is the Tempo. Works pretty good. I think I got it on Amazon. I'll put it in the links in the description. But when you move out of the way, the tone goes away. And then watch this. When I drop down, there we go. You can see the tone gets louder. Watch. That's where our gas line is. So we're gonna be super careful digging right here. If you are doing underground panel upgrades, you gotta have one of these. On one of the projects that we did, we hit a gas line. It's because we didn't have a tracer with us, and the fire department showed up, the police showed up, the city showed up, and the last ones to show up was actually the utility company. So we were sitting there for about an hour just waiting for everybody to show up. So you gotta make sure you get a tracer so that you're not hitting gas lines, because it's not fun. Let me know in the comments if any of you guys have hit a gas line ever. But just remember, you still need to call 811, get them out here to locate. But then this is super helpful when you're actually digging yourself to make sure that you can find the depth of the conduit as you're digging, because sometimes they miss. So if you have your own tracer as well, you can trace that wire that's wrapped around the gas pipe all the way out to wherever you're going.